we step back to kind of where we've become just as an industry overall in the last, I'd say even 5 to 10 years, right? You hear words like shadow IT, right? We hear words like SaaS or cloud, right? That those terms, at the end of the day, they've instilled a lot of freedom in the part of the different functional groups within an organization, right? Because of SaaS, it's very easy for anyone within a company to go out and quickly procure some new application, right? That's going to contain data within that application. And so these functional groups outside of IT are going and procuring these capabilities, right? Because they themselves are put to task to deliver an experience or result for their specific function. And what we try to achieve within Cherwell and sort of trying to envelop this stuff into a much broader service management delivery story is we want to provide a platform whereby we don't limit that kind of freedom. We don't want to limit organizations from growing out and procuring these high value tools, right, to deliver important results within their functions, but we want to give them a framework to where they can do that at a much more connected level, right? We want to be able to connect these different applications and the data that those applications have access to into a much broader experience for the company. And so this is one of the big problems that we're trying to solve right now. And ultimately, as we think about helping organizations be more efficient, it's utilizing these tools, right, that the individual teams are procuring and the data that they have access to, but doing so in a much more integrated manner under a common platform that Cherwell provides. The service management industry is a bit of a crossroads right now. I think you have the IT service management industry that really formed out of help desk use case, right? Helping IT be more efficient in terms of how they can serve their customers for simple things like, I forgot my password, right? I need to reset my password. That shouldn't have to go through a person, right, to create a new password for you. So how can we automate that so it doesn't have to touch IT, right? So very simple use cases ultimately born into today what's known as IT service management, where it's gone far beyond just simply creating a new password for an individual. It's provisioning a work environment within AWS or Microsoft Azure. It's deploying new applications. It's creating connections between applications or initiating service requests through those applications. And so it's served as an extremely valuable tool for IT in making them more efficient. Now others are peering into this outside of IT, saying, wow, that the underpinnings of IT service management, specifically that workflow process and the automation that goes into it, that could help us out in other areas of the company. It can make us more efficient in onboarding new employees and promoting new employees. It can make us more efficient in manufacturing. It can make us more efficient in operations. And so now you have these other functions across an organization saying, hey, how did you do that? I want to do that, right? I want to have access to that kind of software. And so I'd say 4 to 5 years ago, you started to see ITSM emerge out of IT and start to be used for other areas of the organization. And today, 67% of our customers have actually taken the IT service management product that we provide and evolved that for use cases outside of IT, for HR, for security, for facilities, simple things like sending postage within a company.